What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Kicks Point, the channel that keeps it completely real about which sneakers deserve your money, your attention, and a permanent spot in your collection. Air Jordan in 2026 is operating on a completely different level from everything else in sneaker culture right now. We are talking culture, history, and attitude packed into some of the most legendary and recognizable silhouettes ever created in the history of footwear. From timeless classics that launched an entire global sneaker movement back in 1985 to modern remastered icons that bring those legendary designs forward into 2026 with meaningful upgrades. The Jordan lineup this year is absolutely stacked with heat from top to bottom. Whether you are a lifelong Jordan collector who has been following the brand for decades, a streetwear enthusiast who wants the most culturally significant sneaker on their feet, or just someone looking for the most legendary pair available right now, this list has exactly what you need. Today at Kicks Point, we are counting down the top 10 best Air Jordan sneakers of 2026, ranked by design, comfort, cultural impact, and overall value. Stay till the end because number 1 is kicking things off. At number 10 is the Air Jordan 1 Mid. And this shoe continues to prove in 2026 why it remains one of the most wearable and genuinely accessible Jordan sneakers you can buy right now without spending a fortune. Inspired by the legendary original Air Jordan 1 from 1985, this mid-top version captures the iconic DNA of the franchise while offering a slightly more practical everyday fit that works for every type of occasion and every kind of outfit. The leather upper provides durability and premium structure, giving the shoe a quality feel that actually improves naturally as it molds to your specific foot shape over time through regular daily wear. The padded collar adds genuine ankle comfort, making it suitable for long casual wear sessions throughout the day without creating irritation or restriction. The encapsulated air unit delivers enough impact protection for daily movement and extended casual use without ever feeling excessive or overly bulky underfoot. In 2026, fresh color combinations reflecting both heritage aesthetics and modern street fashion trends are keeping this one extremely relevant and consistently popular. It pairs easily with jeans, joggers, cargo pants, and even relaxed tailoring. Versatility is absolutely one of its greatest strengths. Refined materials and better internal padding in newer 2026 releases have improved overall comfort noticeably compared to earlier versions. A strong, dependable, and genuinely accessible opener for this list. At number 9, we have the Air Jordan Stadium 90. And this shoe represents exactly where Jordan brand is heading in 2026 with their design philosophy and product direction. Hybrid silhouettes that seamlessly blend iconic heritage aesthetics with genuinely modern comfort solutions that today's sneaker lovers actually demand from their footwear. Drawing inspiration from multiple iconic Air Jordan designs throughout the brand's history, the Stadium 90 combines layered textures, bold paneling, and updated cushioning into one cohesive and seriously impressive sneaker that feels fresh and relevant without abandoning what makes Jordan DNA so special. The foam midsole feels noticeably softer and more responsive than traditional retro Jordan models, making it far better suited for extended daily wear throughout busy days and active summer lifestyles. Breathability has been meaningfully improved through mesh inserts that allow consistent airflow, reducing discomfort during warmer days and long hours on foot in June 2026 conditions. The outsole traction pattern provides dependable grip on city streets and indoor surfaces equally throughout the day. The lightweight construction separates this shoe from heavier retro Jordan models. It feels agile and comfortable right out of the box without requiring any break-in period whatsoever. Jordan DNA, upgraded comfort, and a sporty yet versatile design. The Stadium 90 earns number 9 without any question. Number 8 is the Air Jordan 3 Retro, one of the most culturally significant and historically important sneakers in the entire Jordan lineup. And in 2026, it remains as powerful and relevant as it has ever been since its original debut back in 1988. The Air Jordan 3 holds a genuinely special place in sneaker history because it was the shoe that introduced visible air cushioning to the Jordan franchise, a design decision that completely changed the direction of performance basketball footwear and sneaker culture forever. The iconic elephant print, detailing instantly, sets it apart from everything else in any rotation, while the premium leather upper delivers structure and durability that holds up through serious daily use throughout the year. Modern 2026 releases feature notably softer leather and meaningfully enhanced comfort compared to earlier versions, making the overall wearing experience more refined and enjoyable than ever. The visible heel air unit provides dependable impact absorption that makes it practical for everyday wear, despite its basketball court origins. Padded collar and tongue enhance ankle comfort for a secure yet relaxed fit throughout extended daily wear sessions. Collaborations and premium editions in 2026 have elevated this model's appeal and cultural cachet even further among serious collectors and everyday wearers alike. Heritage performance design meeting lifestyle versatility. The Air Jordan 3 Retro earns number 8 on the Kicks Point list. At number 7, we have the Air Jordan 11 Low. One of the sleekest, most refined, and most elegantly designed silhouettes in the entire Jordan lineup for 2026. Originally introduced as a high-performance basketball shoe in the mid-1990s, this low-top variation has evolved into a seasonal lifestyle favorite that blends genuine elegance with serious athletic DNA, in a way that very few sneakers from any brand have ever been able to pull off consistently across multiple years and changing fashion trends. The most recognizable and iconic feature of this shoe is the glossy patent leather mudguard that wraps around the entire upper, delivering a premium and lustrous shine that instantly elevates any outfit you put together for any occasion. Above the mudguard sits breathable mesh material that enhances airflow meaningfully and makes the shoe noticeably more comfortable for warmer June days and extended daily wear sessions throughout the summer. The full-length air cushioning system provides a smooth and genuinely responsive underfoot feel that reduces impact during walking and daily movement consistently throughout the day. A carbon fiber shank plate adds meaningful torsional support, keeping the foot stable without making the shoe feel stiff, rigid, or uncomfortable in any way during extended wear. Lighter construction updates and refined interior padding in 2026 have improved overall wearability significantly compared to earlier releases of this model. Low-profile elegance, polished aesthetic, and genuine everyday versatility. The Air Jordan 11 Low earns number 7 convincingly. Number 6 is the Air Jordan 4 Retro, one of the most influential, recognizable, and culturally dominant sneakers in the entire history of the Jordan brand. And in 2026, it continues to command serious attention and genuine desire everywhere it shows up in sneaker culture. First introduced in 1989, the Air Jordan 4 has consistently maintained cultural relevance and genuine commercial appeal through limited releases, premium colorways, and meaningful material upgrades that keep it feeling fresh and exciting season after season without ever abandoning what made it legendary. The visible air cushioning in the heel provides solid impact absorption, making it genuinely practical for extended everyday wear, despite its bold and structured silhouette design. The supportive wing eyelets and padded collar create a locked-in feel around the ankle that offers real stability without excessive restriction throughout the day. Mesh side panels enhance breathability and improve foot comfort during extended wear sessions in warmer conditions. Collaborations and remastered editions throughout 2026 have improved material softness and interior padding significantly, enhancing long-term comfort and wearability across the board. Cultural dominance, dependable durability, and a timeless design that never goes out of style. The Air Jordan 4 Retro earns number 6 on the Kicks Point list absolutely convincingly. At number 5, we have the Air Jordan 1 High OG. The pure and uncompromised representation of Jordan heritage and authenticity, and one of the most important and consequential sneakers ever created in the entire history of modern footwear and sneaker culture. This is the silhouette that launched the entire Jordan legacy back in 1985, and in 2026, it remains an absolute cornerstone and cultural touchstone of the global sneaker community that shows no signs of losing relevance or significance. The premium leather, upper and high-cut design offers structured ankle coverage and a genuinely supportive fit that has stood the test of time across 4 full decades of consistent daily wear by millions of people worldwide. The encapsulated air unit provides classic cushioning that is firm yet completely dependable for everyday use, and the overall comfort improves naturally as the premium leather molds to your specific foot over extended time and wear. In 2026, remastered releases focus specifically on accurate silhouette shape, higher quality materials throughout, and meaningfully improved interior padding that enhances overall wearability across every new colorway released this year. Versatility is completely unmatched here. Denim, cargo pants, tailored streetwear, and elevated casual outfits all work seamlessly and effortlessly with the Air Jordan 1 High OG, regardless of the occasion or the season. Bold color blocking makes every new release unique and genuinely collectible for serious Jordan enthusiasts. A thoroughly deserved number 5 on the Kicks Point list. Number 4 is the Air Jordan 5 Retro, and this shoe delivers bold and immediately recognizable aesthetics combined with genuinely dependable cushioning performance that makes it one of the most exciting and satisfying picks on this entire 2026 list. Originally released in 1990, the Air Jordan 5 introduced aggressive midsole detailing and those iconic reflective tongue elements that remain completely synonymous with the Jordan brand identity in 2026 and show absolutely no signs of aging or becoming less relevant in modern sneaker culture. The visible heel air unit absorbs impact effectively, offering stable and consistent comfort for walking and extended daily wear throughout long days and summer activity. The padded interior lining enhances ankle support meaningfully, while perforated side panels improve airflow and keep the foot properly breathable during long summer wear sessions. Modern 2026 releases feature upgraded materials that feel noticeably softer and more flexible than earlier editions of this model, increasing overall daily comfort significantly across every colorway. The outsole traction performs reliably across multiple surfaces, adding genuine functional value beyond just the powerful style statement this shoe makes. Bold, iconic, deeply historically significant, and seriously wearable for modern everyday life. The Air Jordan 5 Retro earns number 4 on the Kicks Point list without any debate whatsoever. At number 3, we have the Air Jordan 12 Retro, one of the most powerful premium feeling and visually striking silhouettes in the entire Jordan lineup for 2026, and a shoe that carries genuine championship energy in every single design detail and material choice throughout. Originally introduced in 1996 during one of the greatest and most celebrated eras in basketball history, that winning championship spirit and competitive energy is still felt powerfully in every modern release of this iconic and beloved model. The upper features carefully stitched leather paneling inspired by luxury design influences from outside the world of athletic footwear, giving the shoe a bold yet genuinely refined and sophisticated appearance that commands attention in any setting or crowd. Material upgrades throughout 2026 releases have improved leather softness and flexibility noticeably, making the shoe feel smoother and more comfortable while maintaining the structured durability and premium build quality the model is famous for. The full-length air cushioning unit delivers consistent and reliable impact absorption from heel all the way through to toe, helping reduce joint stress and foot fatigue during long hours of daily wear throughout demanding summer days. The solid and supportive base feels secure and grounded underfoot throughout every session without ever feeling restrictive or uncomfortable in any way. Championship legacy, premium materials, and powerful design. The Air Jordan 12 Retro earns number 3 on the Kicks Point 2026 list completely convincingly. Number 2 is the Air Jordan 4 RM. And this shoe represents the most successful and impressive evolution of a classic Jordan icon fully adapted and optimized for 2026 comfort standards and the genuine demands of modern everyday lifestyle wear. The traditional Air Jordan 4 has long been celebrated and admired for its bold visual identity and massive cultural impact across streetwear and sneaker communities worldwide. But this remastered version refines the entire formula significantly, with lighter and more advanced materials combined with genuinely enhanced cushioning technology throughout the shoe. The updated midsole feels noticeably softer and more responsive than older retro editions of the Air Jordan 4, providing meaningfully improved shock absorption that makes a real and tangible difference during extended walking sessions and long summer days on your feet. The streamlined construction reduces overall weight while carefully maintaining every signature visual element. The wing eyelets, mesh paneling, and instantly recognizable silhouette that completely define the model's iconic identity throughout sneaker culture. Breathability has been meaningfully improved through better ventilation zones that allow consistent airflow and keep feet considerably more comfortable throughout extended daily summer use in June conditions. The interior padding feels more adaptive and thoughtfully designed, gently securing the foot without creating pressure points or discomfort anywhere throughout the shoe. Nostalgia and genuinely modern comfort technology working together in perfect harmony. The Air Jordan 4 RM earns a clear and thoroughly deserving number 2 on the Kicks Point list, and the number 1 spot on Kicks Point's top 10 Best Air Jordan Sneakers of 2026 goes to the Air Jordan 1 High 85, the ultimate Air Jordan of the year without any question, and the most authentic and historically faithful representation of where this entire global sneaker movement began back in 1985. This edition is crafted with remarkable accuracy to replicate the original 1985 construction that started everything, honoring the silhouette that launched an entire culture and permanently and irrevocably changed the history of footwear and athletic fashion worldwide in ways that are still felt and celebrated today. The premium leather upper feels genuinely substantial and properly structured right from the very first wear, delivering serious long-term durability while gradually and naturally molding to the exact shape of your foot over extended time and regular daily wear. That natural break-in process creates a completely personalized fit that genuinely improves with every single wear session throughout your ownership of the shoe. The high top cut provides genuinely supportive ankle coverage that feels secure and confident without ever feeling stiff, restrictive, or uncomfortable during normal daily movement and casual wear. The cushioning stays completely true to the classic encapsulated air unit technology rather than modern foam alternatives. And in 2026, that commitment to authenticity and historical accuracy is exactly what makes this shoe so uniquely valuable, so deeply special, and so genuinely irreplaceable in the Jordan lineup. Attention to detail and stitching quality, silhouette shape accuracy, and premium material quality across every single release reinforces the shoe's premium identity and collector's value at the absolute highest level possible. At Kicks Point, number 1 always goes to the sneaker that represents the standard, the shoe that started absolutely everything and launched a global cultural phenomenon that continues to this day. In 2026, that is still the Air Jordan 1 High 85. The legacy lives on stronger than ever, and that is Kicks Point's top 10 best Air Jordan sneakers of 2026. From the accessible everyday comfort and style of the Jordan 1 Mid, all the way up to the legendary authenticity and historical significance of the Air Jordan 1 High 85. Air Jordan in 2026 is culture, history, and attitude all continuing to move powerfully forward together. And this lineup proves exactly why the Jumpman remains one of the most powerful, meaningful, and culturally significant symbols in the entire history of sneaker culture worldwide. Drop a comment below telling us which Air Jordan is your personal all-time favorite and which one you are adding to your collection in 2026. If this video brought you real value, smash that like button. Subscribe to Kicks Point for weekly sneaker rankings and reviews every single week, and I will catch you in the next one.